Hey everyone, how are you guys tonight? Oh my God, it's 7:30. Holy moly, it is late. I have got to get going home, but first I wanted to jump on here and I'm just going to invite a few people in to give us a watch while I'm doing this. So, are you looking to pull together your household finances? Have I got an opportunity for you? Get one-on-one support by me and Laurie Joy, who is the Mojo Mama. This Saturday, she has built a workshop called Budget Like a Mother. Now, I would add another word onto the end of that, but I won't right now because, I don't want to go there quite yet. It's early in the night to go to that form of language. Oh my God, Tracy, my husband ran into your friend in the superstore today. And she sounds like a ball. And I really think I need to hang out with you guys when you are next in Chilliwack. She was pretty excited. So, and I don't know how she figured out that he was my husband, but whatever, it's all good. Anyways, Budget Like a Mother. Seriously, people, if you are struggling to get your money together, you are struggling to pull a personal household finance plan together for you, your family, reach your goals, all that stuff. Oh, Tina, you're in Agassiz. Yay! That is awesome. Just down the road from me. Join us. This is an online virtual workshop. If you have no exposure to Laurie Joy, well, quite frankly, the two of us in one space together is like pretty much over the top. Like, it's probably worth the laugh of the energy that we create and the swearing that happens and the kick-ass, get real with your shit moments that happen when Laurie Joy and I are together. If you mix Laurie Joy, Marlo Ellis, and I together, that takes it to a whole new level of crazy. But we're not going to go there on Saturday. Just me and Laurie hanging out, helping you figure out your household budget, your numbers, all that jazz. So if you want to do this, I think it's about $65, $67. It's on Saturday. It's 3 hours. It really is intensive one-on-one support. If you're struggling with debt repayment or debt payment plans, you're struggling with how do you have enough money at the end of the month to pay all the other things you got to pay. If you are like at a loss, like I tried to do this jar thing, it didn't work. I tried to do the envelope thing, it didn't work, whatever, right? If you're struggling, invest $67 in your like peace of mind and get a plan. Okay? It's as simple as that. And it's not a lot of money. So, we spend that on coffee. Like, I don't know, what is that? Like 20 coffees or something. Anyways, what are the things here? Oh, my son played sports with her son. Oh, yay. That's awesome, Tracy. Let me know when you're going to be out here next. So, yeah. That's my offer for you guys tonight. Just wanted to come in here. It is on Saturday. I think it is at noon. And I'm happy for whoever to join. I put the link. I think I put the link in the comments. Did I do that? Yes, I did. Put the link in the comments because, like, I'm smart today. And, come hang out with us. It's Saturday. What the fuck else have you got to do? Get your money shit together. Seriously, people, let's have a kick-ass year. See you later.